Ace VTOL Slipstream Elite, the next frontier in business aviation. This cutting-edge aircraft is a game-changer, designed with advanced aerodynamics and innovative technology to redefine air travel. With its sleek lifting body and slipstream airflow, the Slipstream Elite maximizes flight efficiency, offering smooth transitions from low-speed control to high-speed performance. It can reach speeds up to 220 miles per hour, 354 kilometers per hour, and travel up to 400 kilometers on a single charge, setting a new benchmark for speed and range in its class. What truly sets this aircraft apart is its intelligent flight system. Powered by low Earth orbit satellites, blockchain technology, and AI flight management, it can be remotely operated from anywhere in the world. The virtual reality pilot interface adds an extra layer of ease. Meet the Ace VTOL Trinity, the electric aircraft built to change everything about how we move. Designed with versatility in mind, the Trinity adapts to cargo transport, passenger travel, emergency medical services, and aerial inspections, all in one sleek machine. Its multifunction airframe, high-performance engine, and next-gen flight management system deliver speed, power, and total control. Step inside and you'll find a spacious cabin with ergonomic seating, climate control, and cutting-edge AR entertainment. It's even the first electric VTOL designed to welcome wheelchairs, making the future of air travel truly accessible to all. From rapid deliveries to life-saving missions, the Trinity isn't just another aircraft, it's rewriting the rules of the sky. Commercial production takes off in 2026. What if you could fly a drone from inside it? Meet the world's first manned aerobatic racing drone, a jaw-dropping leap in aerial technology. Built not just to fly, but to twist, flip, and roll with a human on board, it turns the thrill of racing into a full-body experience. Unlike regular racing drones, this beast carries a pilot through gravity-defying stunts, blurring the line between sport and skybound show. And here's the twist. It can be controlled either from inside the cockpit or remotely, combining the best of drone precision and aircraft performance. Sure, with a price tag over $1 million, it's not landing in your backyard anytime soon. But this machine isn't about mass production, it's about pushing the limits. In a world chasing speed, this drone dares to ask, why not fly like a fighter jet? Ever imagined calling a flying car like a rideshare? Meet the Cadillac Halo, GM's bold leap into the future of personal travel. Unveiled at CES, the Halo is more than just a flying car. It's a sleek, single-passenger air taxi that looks like a cross between a high-tech drone and a luxury helicopter. Powered by a 90-kilowatt motor, it can soar through the sky at speeds up to 56 miles per hour, quietly, cleanly, and autonomously. But here's where it really gets smart. Ever seen a flying machine that looks straight out of a spy movie? Meet the Blackbird, a sleek, all-electric aircraft built for the skies and the spotlight. This personal flyer uses advanced tilt-rotor tech for smooth vertical takeoffs and high-speed cruising up to 120 kilometers per hour. It's compact, powerful, and wrapped in a carbon fiber shell that's both aerodynamic and protective. Inside, a minimalist cockpit puts you in control with a fly-by-wire system so intuitive, it feels like a video game. With a range of up to 100 kilometers, it's perfect for solo trips over cities or remote escapes off the grid. Ever imagined calling a flying car like a rideshare? Meet the Cadillac Halo, GM's bold leap into the future of personal travel. Unveiled at CES, the Halo is more than just a flying car. It's a sleek, single-passenger air taxi that looks like a cross between a high-tech drone and a luxury helicopter. Powered by a 90-kilowatt motor, it can soar through the sky at speeds up to 56 miles per hour, quietly, cleanly, and autonomously. But here's where it really gets smart. Once the Halo lands, a self-driving shuttle takes over, completing the last part of your journey on the ground. Meet the SE-01, a humanoid robot that's walking straight into the future. While Tesla's Optimus is still in the workshop, this $500,000 marvel from Chinese startup Engine AI is already making moves. Their plan? Release over 1,000 units by 2025, beating some of the world's biggest players to the punch. The SE-01 doesn't just mimic movement, it walks like us, hitting speeds up to 2 meters per second. It runs fully on electricity with a 2-hour charge time and a quick battery swap option that keeps things moving without long waits. Inside, it's powered by a brain built on NVIDIA and Intel chips, using AI prompts to handle tasks smarter, faster, and more intuitively. Imagine soaring above city traffic in a whisper-quiet, all-electric aircraft. Eve Air Mobility is making that future real. Born from Brazil's aviation giant Embraer, Eve is leading the charge with its sleek electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) vehicles designed for safe, quiet, and accessible urban travel. Ready to launch with pilots and built for future autonomous flights, Eve's innovation is more than just cutting-edge aircraft. It's a full ecosystem. They're building everything from air traffic solutions to operational services, aiming to redefine the way cities move. Backed by over 50 years of aerospace expertise, Eve isn't just imagining the future. They're engineering it, one flight at a time. In a world craving faster, cleaner connections, Eve is shaping a sky where commuting feels effortless. This isn't just air travel, it's the Cadillac of flying cars. Get ready. What if your personal aircraft didn't just take off, but could glide you to safety, even in total failure? Meet the EVL hang glider, where electric flight meets real-world safety. This isn't your average eVTOL. Instead of depending entirely on spinning rotors, it features a flexible Rogallo wing, a high-lift design that naturally reduces power use and provides built-in emergency gliding. That means better efficiency, longer flight times, and crucially, a way down that doesn't rely on hope. With just 4 strategically placed motors, it lifts smoothly, maintains control, and stays stable midair. Ever dreamed of driving and flying in the same ride? Meet the 2C2C, a flying car that feels like it's straight out of a superhero movie. Sleek, futuristic, and packed with foldable propellers, the 2C2C switches from street cruiser to airborne traveler in seconds. Its carbon fiber frame keeps it light and strong, while the electric propulsion system makes every ride smooth, quiet, and eco-friendly. Designed for tight urban spaces, it lifts off vertically, perfect for dodging traffic or making a quick escape from the city. On the ground, it handles like a luxury car. In the sky, it glides effortlessly like a drone. With a flight range between 250 to 300 kilometers, the 2C2C isn't just an idea. It's a giant leap toward a future where your daily commute could mean flying over it all. The road ahead isn't just on the ground anymore. It's in the sky. Soar above the clouds, literally, with New Zealand's first solar-powered stratospheric drone. Introducing the Kia Atmos Mk1, a lightweight powerhouse with a 12.5-meter wingspan that can launch straight from a car roof. Built for endurance, it currently flies for 16 hours straight, and future upgrades aim for months in the sky. At 15 kilometers up, it cruises higher than commercial jets. Designed with aerial photography in mind, it offers a smarter, more affordable alternative to helicopters and manned flights. Whether you're mapping landscapes, tracking wildlife, or filming from impossible angles, this drone makes it easier and cheaper than ever before. Ever dreamed of flying something that feels more like a spacecraft than an aircraft? Meet the Orb Nomad, a sleek, spherical aerial vehicle that looks like it's straight out of the future. Crafted with precision and encased in a carbon composite shell, the Nomad isn't just built to fly, it's built to turn heads. Its silent vertical lift comes from hidden electric duct fans, letting it take off without runways or wings. The result? Smooth, efficient flight with zero noise pollution. Imagine soaring over city streets in a sleek, silent aircraft that takes off like a helicopter and flies like a jet. Meet the Pantala Concept H from Pontuo Aviation, a 5-seat electric flying machine built for the future of urban travel. With a cutting-edge canard tilt-wing design and 22 ducted fans tucked neatly into its wings, it lifts off vertically and glides forward smoothly, all while keeping noise to a minimum. This futuristic flyer isn't just about style, it delivers serious performance too. It can hit speeds of over 300 kilometers per hour and cover up to 250 kilometers on a single charge, making quick city hops or emergency missions faster and easier than ever. Imagine skipping traffic forever. With one push, your car lifts off the ground and takes flight. Meet the Pegasus E, the hybrid marvel built for both the streets and the skies. With its carbon fiber body and sci-fi-worthy design, the Pegasus E turns heads before it even leaves the ground. Sleek air intakes, aerodynamic curves, and retractable rotors let it shift from driving to flying in seconds. In the air, it cruises at speeds up to 132 kilometers per hour and covers a range of 480 kilometers, no runway needed. And when you're done soaring, it parks neatly in a standard garage, ready for your next trip. Fully certified for flight, the Pegasus E isn't just a dream. It's here, and it's changing everything. It's freedom from traffic. Imagine flying quietly across the skies in a sleek hybrid aircraft. This is the future Plana hybrid air mobility promises. Born from the vision of a former Hyundai Aviation leader, this Korean startup is changing air travel with a bold new design. The Plana Hybrid EV can carry one pilot and up to 6 passengers, covering an impressive 500 kilometers on a single flight. Its futuristic body features a smooth, extended fuselage, wide upper wing, and front canards for better balance and efficiency. Powering this next-gen aircraft are large, tilting 5-blade electric propellers that deliver full vector thrust, making flights smoother, quieter, and more comfortable than ever before. Every detail, from accessibility to passenger comfort, has been carefully crafted. Plana plans to launch its first demonstration model by 2024 and aims for full certification and production by 2028. Air travel is about to get quieter, greener, and closer than you ever imagined. Imagine skipping traffic and soaring straight from your doorstep. Meet the Ray Vi, the future of personal air travel. This sleek 5-seater VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, is crafted for ultimate convenience, carrying 4 passengers and 1 pilot with ease. Powered by 4 wing fans and 2 vectoring tail-mounted duct fans, it lifts off vertically, making tight spaces no obstacle. Designed for long-range trips, the Ray V isn't just another aircraft. It's a door-to-door flying solution built for a new era of transportation. Forget terminals and delays. This is freedom reimagined. A hotel in space? It's happening, and sooner than you think. Vast Haven 1 is the world's first commercial space station, launching in 2025. Travelers will hitch a ride aboard SpaceX's Crew Dragon ships to reach this orbital getaway. Compact but cutting edge, Haven 1 offers a 45 cubic meter living space for 4 crew members. Inside, a science lab, recreation zone, gym, and more, all designed with a warm, wood-inspired interior that makes space feel like home. Its modular build means more rooms can be added later, making it expandable for future missions. And thanks to SpaceX's Starlink, communication back to Earth stays strong and steady. It's not just a station, it's a new chapter in off-Earth living. Space isn't distant anymore. It's becoming your next destination. Imagine an aircraft that takes off like a drone, but flies like a plane. Meet the Vision VTOL quadcopter, the future of aviation in action. Vision ditches long runways with its vertical takeoff system, opening skies to cities, mountains, and beyond. Powered by a cutting-edge hybrid engine, it blends electric and combustion tech for incredible range and unbeatable efficiency. More than just sleek looks, every rotor and curve is designed for speed, lift, and seamless mid-air transition. The onboard AI controls every move, keeping flights smooth, fast, and stable, even in tough conditions. Built from ultralight composites, Vision cuts through the air with less drag and more endurance. Its smart avionics suite handles navigation, obstacle dodging, and real-time route changes, giving pilots or autonomous systems total command. Need flexibility? The modular bay snaps in payloads from medical kits to surveillance gear in minutes. Redundant safety systems, encrypted communications, and predictive maintenance tech keep missions secure and smooth. Imagine a flying machine that changes its shape mid-air. Faster, smarter, and more adaptable than anything you've seen before. At Atera Dynamics, we're rewriting the rules of flight. We created the XP4 Transwing, a breakthrough aircraft with a patented design that folds its wings during flight. This lets it switch effortlessly between rotorcraft and fixed-wing modes, giving it the agility of a helicopter and the speed and range of a traditional airplane. Thanks to this unique transformation, the transwing takes off and lands vertically in tight spaces. But once airborne, it stretches its wings to cruise farther and faster than other aircraft in its class. It's compact when you need control, expansive when you need efficiency, all in a single, seamless motion. This innovation isn't just about better flying. It's about opening new possibilities for transport, emergency response, cargo delivery, and future cityscapes. Advanced air mobility could reshape how we connect, move, and live. A plane that takes off like a helicopter and cruises like a jet, that future just became real. XTI Aerospace has officially launched a powerful new force born from the merger of XTI Aircraft and Pixin Aerospace. At the center of it all is the Trifan 600, a cutting-edge vertical lift crossover airplane that redefines what private air travel can be. It's built for versatility, lifting off vertically, then transitioning to high-speed jet flight. That means no more long runway waits or limited landing zones. Just smooth, fast, point-to-point travel like never before. This merger doesn't just combine two companies. It brings together innovation, engineering, and vision to shake up the aerospace game. With its debut on the NASDAQ under the symbol XTA on March 13, 2024, XTI Aerospace isn't just joining the market, it's aiming to transform it. What if helicopters could fly faster and use less fuel? Meet the Airbus Racer, a game changer in the sky. This futuristic aircraft isn't just a concept, it's already undergoing test flights. Designed by Airbus Helicopters, one of the industry's top players, the Racer blends speed with smart engineering in a way we've never seen before. Instead of sticking to the usual setup, engineers added side-mounted propellers to support the main rotor. The result? A sleek design that slices through the air at cruising speeds of 400 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest helicopters out there. But it doesn't stop at speed. At 333 kilometers per hour, it uses less fuel than a standard chopper flying 92 kilometers per hour slower. That's serious efficiency. And with its Saffron Eco Mode hybrid electric system, one of the engines can switch to a power-saving mode, cutting fuel use by another 30 centers. Imagine stepping off a plane without ever leaving your seat. That's the future Embraer envisions with the Pulse concept, a sleek pod-based transport system that blurs the line between air and ground travel. Revealed in 2019 to mark the company's 50th anniversary, this futuristic design reimagines how we move. At the heart of it, a fully detachable smart pod that shifts seamlessly from jet to car so you never leave your capsule. It's built for the future, featuring transparent smart glass for panoramic views and potential use of aluminum oxynitride, a crystal-clear material that's heat-resistant up to 2,000 degrees Celsius and 4 times stronger than regular glass. Inside, it's a flexible space built for work, play, or rest, turning travel time into productive time. Think of it as your mobile office, cinema, or lounge. What if you could feel the virtual world? Every step, every splash, even the wind in your face. That's exactly what the Exit suit is aiming for. Built for immersive VR movement, this futuristic exoskeleton doesn't just let you explore digital worlds, it makes them feel real. Its standout feature? A 360-degree rotating mount that gives you full-body freedom. Move, twist, spin. It's designed to keep up. But this isn't just about mobility. The suit adds resistance when needed, giving your body feedback that matches the virtual world. Fall into a river in-game, you'll feel the pull of the current. Lean forward, the suit responds. It's support and sensation, hot all in one. And here's the kicker. The whole system is open source. Exit Suit isn't guarding its tech. It's throwing down a challenge. Build on it, hack it, improve it. In a world racing toward deeper digital experiences, the Exit Suit isn't just part of the game, it's rewriting the rules. Ready to step in? Or better yet, level it up? Robots are now your personal chefs. Meet Good Bits, the futuristic kitchen that cooks for you. This fully automated setup can store up to 72 ingredients, cook 8 different meals at once, and serve up to 3,000 dishes a day with stunning precision. All in just 12.5 square meters of space, including a built-in dishwasher. You don't need to be a tech genius to use it. With a simple visual editor, customizing your kitchen is as easy as drag and drop. On average, it takes only 3 tries to turn your recipe into a robotic routine. GoodBits also eliminates hygiene concerns. No more sneezes near your salad or smoke near your food. And since it runs on electricity and water, not salaries, what if a plane could fly faster than a Boeing Dreamliner and take off straight up without spinning blades? Jetoptura's new aircraft isn't just another airplane. It's a leap into the future of flight. Capable of hitting speeds up to 900 kilometers per hour, this machine outpaces most commercial jets. But speed is just the beginning. Instead of traditional engines, it uses bladeless propulsion. Compressed air flows through narrow slits to create low-pressure vortices that generate powerful thrust. The result? 10% more thrust, 50% less fuel, and almost silent operation. It also takes off and lands vertically, no runway needed. Jetoptura's design isn't just smart, it's strategic. That's why the US Air Force is already on board, backing its development for future missions. With claims of triple the range and double the payload of current models, it could reshape military and civilian aviation alike. This isn't just innovation, it's aviation. Meet the cable that does it all and looks good doing it. This isn't just a charger, it's the One Cable, the magnetic 8-in-1 solution that's built for the future. With 4 swappable heads, it connects to just about anything: USB-C, USB-A, Lightning, you name it. It delivers a blazing 240 watts of charging power, enough to juice up even your most demanding devices in no time. Need speed? It transfers data at 20 Gbps. And yes, it supports 4K at 60 Hz, so you can stream, game, or present in crystal clarity. The real kicker? It's magnetic. That means no more messy cables, no more untangling, and a snap-to-win design that makes storage effortless. Meet the world's first bike seat that moves with you. The VABS Rider isn't just a seat, it's a total rethink of rider comfort. Instead of a fixed saddle, the VABS Rider uses a split-seat design that shifts back and forth with your legs. This clever motion reduces pressure on your sit bones and spreads it toward the femur, making long rides noticeably more comfortable. It strikes a smart balance, softer than a racing seat, firmer than a cruiser. Perfect for endurance without sacrificing support. The idea may seem simple, but its impact could be huge. It bridges the gap between comfort and performance in a way no other seat has done. Whether you're commuting, training, or touring, this seat adapts to you, not the other way around. When your job ranks among the deadliest in the country, safety isn't optional, it's survival. Meet Vincent, a rugged piece of protective gear built for those facing danger in the logging industry. It doesn't boast flashy tech, smart sensors, or built-in cameras. Instead, it focuses on what truly matters, shielding your head, neck, and back from falling debris when every second counts. Crafted from 3mm thick aluminum, it's surprisingly lightweight at just 5.8 kilograms, offering both strength and flexibility.